Borek is a savoury pastry. These are small and delicious, keeping you coming back for more. This recipe is so easy and the filling options are endless. In this video, we'll be making a spinach and feta cheese version. To start, peel and chop 1 onion and set it aside in a large bowl. Then wash 260 grams of spinach and let that dry. You don't want to add too much moisture to the borek. Chop the spinach up and set it aside with your chopped onion. Now for the cheese. I'm chopping up 200 grams of feta. I want there to be chunks of feta in the borek. But you can also use a fork to smash the feta up into finer pieces. The choice is yours. Add your feta along with 220 grams of mozzarella to your bowl. The feta wasn't very salty, so I added 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of red chilli flakes. The red chilli flakes are completely optional. Then give that a good mix. You can make this even cheesier by adding 2 tablespoons of cream cheese. Or change it up. Mix in some bell peppers, carrots or chilies, even cooked chicken or minced beef. Now that the filling is done, let's make the most amazing egg wash. In a bowl, add 4 tablespoons of plain and natural yogurt, 4 tablespoons of oil, I'm just using vegetable oil, and 2 eggs. Then season with salt and pepper. Give that a good mix. You want the egg to fully break down. Now to assemble. Unwrap your filo pastry sheets. It might be folded in half like this. Just gently unfold the stack to avoid tearing. If you accidentally poke a hole or two, don't worry, the borek will still turn out delicious. Fold 1 filo pastry sheet in half with the longest side facing you. Then spread a thin layer of the egg wash. Make a row of the filling near the bottom edge, but still leaving a gap. This is so you can lift the bottom edge and roll. Take one side of the long tube and turn it inwards, making a beautiful spiral shape. If it tears, that's okay, we'll fix it with more egg wash later. If you found this video helpful so far, give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, hello! Do consider subscribing to the Bakery in London channel for more delicious recipes like this one. It would honestly make my day. Thank you so much, and let's get back to the video. I have all the filo pastry sheets stacked on top of each other because I'm working quickly through them. But it's important to mention that filo pastry sheets can dry out when exposed to air, making them brittle and more likely to crack. To avoid this, you can cover the stack with a damp kitchen towel, taking only 1 sheet at a time. If you have any unused filo pastry sheets, you can fold them up, tightly wrap in plastic and keep in your fridge. Place your borek onto a baking tray lined with parchment paper and leave some space between them so they don't stick together. Now take your egg wash and generously coat the borek. This will make them soft and give them a golden colour. I'm especially focusing on the end of the spiral and carefully dabbing on those cracked edges because it will help keep the borek together after baking. As a final touch, sprinkle over some sesame and black seeds and bake at 200 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. If you tried this recipe, let me know in the comments. I hope you enjoyed them as much as I do, and see you next time.